All right, so I just got off the phone with Wood Mizer. Doug Hicks, I believe his name is. So normally this guy should be up and this should not be loose. There's a gas shock inside here, and he knew exactly what the problem was right away. I guess they seem to have had problems during the production of LT15s back in September. I bought this, or I picked it up in October of 2021. So he knew exactly what the problem was, which was great. And in true American customer service fashion, there were no issues in getting the replacement. I don't know if you can see that there, but I already started to remove that Allen head. It is a T20, I believe, or T25 bolt Allen head. I haven't seen any videos posted with this repair or this issue, so, and it seems like a lot of guys have been having this problem. So. He did say that the mill head needs to be raised at 35 inches when you go to reassemble. So that should be fun. Fortunately, I have a skid steer, so I'll use that to lift it. So there's this bolt down here, which I'm assuming is holding the shock all the way through. You know, it's holding everything together. That's a 3/16 bolt, or Allen head rather, and that is in there good. So this bolt here was on there very tight. There's a 1/2 inch nut on the back that this threads into that I was able to get my cheapy Harbor Freight swivel head box wrench onto. So I'm going to try to do this while filming. So it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but oh, it's coming loose. I guess now let's see how we can do this here. All right, and we'll see how this works. So this is what I'm talking about. You gotta get one of these good jobs. Nail polish to indicate loosened. It's kind of tight in there, but there we go. Let's see if I can do this. Probably should pin the head, but yeah, you know what? Let's not be stupid. There we go. Let's So there was a guy on the Wood Mizer page. He tack welded this down there. So all he has to do is back the Allen head bolt out. Doesn't have to reach in here like a double jointed Filipino, triple jointed Filipino. I think that's the line. Anyway, I think that's what I'm. Make sure you take the bolt out. All right. Before we lose anything. It's an interesting bolt. Let's give it another shot. Oh shit, it's kind of heavy. All right, so according to Doug, they're gonna send this entire assembly, which, I mean, it's not really that necessary, I don't think, but that's what they're gonna do because they offer great customer service, and it is what it is. I can't really tell them how to run their business, but so these are 360-pound shocks. It is cold. There it is. Key to all this is taking all the parts of pieces and hardware, disassembling everything correctly. All right. So that goes in there. These guys go inside there. And it's not that bad. It's not hard to take apart. Again, had to be triple jointed to get that thing out, but wasn't the end of the world. So now I got to keep these all together. These are 1/4-20s, which I have, I don't know, probably 5,000 of these in my shop. It's ironic that they're using the same ones, but that's unique. A little rust on there. Whatever. Alright, so I'm going to try to source this locally. And, oh, made in England. In Romeoville. Distribution. That's why it failed. It's made in England. Anybody know anything about Brit cars? You know what I'm talking about. Now these are garbage, and they actually want this back, so I don't want to damage them too much. I don't want to damage them at all, but I'm also very impatient, so oh, that's not on there tight at all. Okay, this one's on there tighter. Okay, make sure I'm not marring anything up. Guess I gotta put a little bit more gas into it. What am I doing wrong here? No. There it is. I'm trying to be really gentle with it. Yeah, I did mar it up. I'm trying to take this apart, but it's on video. I tried being gentle with it. Pretty sure I'm going to be able to source these locally. It's got some weight to it. Decent amount of rust in there. Okay. And these are, they're completely shot. Not to pounce on England or anything, but you know, they make beautiful cars. They just don't work so well all the time. Anyway, I'm gonna see if Granger has these or the local auto parts store. My local Advance store is great. If they don't have it, they can source it, and they work with me on getting some unique parts, or they try their best at least. And here we go. So, I don't know if that's coming out, but yeah. It's snowing again. And again, she ain't getting driven much. If anybody wants it, let me know. 45 grand takes it. 28,000 miles. It's mint. My car's mint.